Hey everyone, this video is a sort of review or a test of the SD card reader that I bought on Amazon. It was a cheaper version, so it was only $6.99, opposed to the alternative Apple official one, which was 38 quid. But I thought I'd give this one a go. The reviews were pretty good, like 4.5 stars, 450 reviews or something like that, I think it was. I'll stick a link to this item in the description, the affiliate link. You don't have to pay any extra. I just get a small percentage. But yeah, I'm going to quickly show you how it works. I bought this because the port on my camera broke. So it was either do everything by Bluetooth or buy one of these card readers. And I didn't realize you can get them for your phone as well. So I bought the one that had the connector for my phone. And oh, so handy, so handy. So yeah, I'll quickly show you how it works. It's super quick. Much quicker than the way I've been doing it, like plugging it into the laptop, then airdropping it. So you open your phone, you click on Files, and then you plug the reader in, obviously with the card inside the reader, and it'll pop up. There you go, Untitled. And then you got access. That's how easy it is. And then you click on it, and then you find what you want to save or download to the phone. Super quick. So surprised how easy this is. I mean, I'm a bit of a camera amateur, so there's probably people watching this going like, yeah, this is obvious. Like, everyone knows you can do this. But yeah, go to save video, and that's it. That's all you do, and it saves to the phone. I'll quickly show you on the laptop as well. You don't really need to be shown this, but I'll do it anyway. Plug it in the same, and it just comes up as Untitled. Again, as you'll see once I've plugged it in. There you go. And you just click on it, and then yeah, you've got access. Yeah, unbelievable, really. $6.99 opposed to paying 38 quid. So absolute bargain. Hopefully this video helped. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe and get in the comments section. And next week I'll do the batteries that I done for the camera, the backup batteries. So yeah, catch you next time.